In a beautiful jungle called Jungle World, four best friends lived happily together: a little elephant, a horse, a pigeon, and a cheetah. They were known for their kindness and strong friendship. They always helped every animal in the jungle and lived with love and peace. One day, the little elephant became very sick. His mother elephant was very worried and quickly called the wise old Dr. Owl. After checking the little elephant, Dr. Owl said, "There is only one herb that can cure him, but it grows deep in the dangerous jungle." All the friends were shocked and worried. But without thinking twice, the horse, pigeon, and cheetah decided to get the herb for their sick friend. They first sent the pigeon to fly high and far to search for the herb. The brave pigeon flew across hills, rivers, and dark forests. Finally, the pigeon spotted the glowing green herb on a high rock in the dangerous jungle. The pigeon flew back and told her friends. Without delay, the horse, pigeon, and cheetah began their journey together. As they entered the jungle, a group of angry gorillas surrounded them, ready to attack. But the clever cheetah let out a loud, scary roar. "Cheetah, roar!" The gorillas got frightened and ran away. The friends kept moving until they saw the precious herb. But there was a huge, deep gap between them and the herb. It was very dangerous. Then the brave horse stepped forward. "Horse, I will jump across," he said. He ran as fast as he could and leapt over the gap with all his strength. Thud! The horse landed safely and carefully picked up the herb. All three friends, the horse, pigeon, and cheetah, rushed back home with the magical herb. Dr. Owl quickly made medicine from it and gave it to the little elephant. After some rest, the little elephant woke up smiling. He was healthy again. All the animals cheered with joy. The little elephant, horse, pigeon, and cheetah hugged each other and smiled brightly. They had saved their friend with bravery, teamwork, and love. Kids, what do you learn? True friendship means helping each other in times of need. When we work together with love and courage, we can overcome any danger.
Now is the time to learn some words along with the story. Repeat with us. Happily. Happily. Sick. Sick. Fly. Fly.